has given the green light to an anti-flu drug for COVID-19 treatment after promising early results. In trials, 60% of patients tested negative for coronavirus within 5 days of treatment. The results are double what's been achieved with standard therapy treatment. Avifar is a generic anti-flu medication that's been on the market for years and that's been especially popular in Japan. Well, let's find out a little bit more about this drug and go to Moscow to speak to our correspondent, Galina Polanskaya. Morning to you, Galina. I know that you've been speaking with not only the developers of this drug, but also the skeptics of its use in treatment for COVID-19. Just give us an idea, how is the drug supposed to work?
The antiviral drug Avifar can disrupt the reproduction mechanisms of COVID-19 and has shown outstanding results during the clinical trials, say its developers, the Russian Direct Investment Fund and the Camrar Group. The fever, for example, of the patients went down already on the third day, which is quite quick. So the first portion of this drug is being distributed to Russia's hospitals today, and it will be only given to patients in hospitals under the supervision of doctors. This drug is not intended to be given to pregnant women due to its side effects. First Deputy CEO of Russian Direct Investment Fund, Tagir Sidekov, told me that with the help of this drug, Russia helps to conquer the pandemic. Let's listen more.
After the first 4 days of treatment, 65% of patients taking Avifar already had a negative COVID test, which is 2 times faster than with standard therapy. With the use of this drug, the virus disappears much faster. This reduces the load on hospital beds, and this allows for more complex treatment.
The active substance of Avifar is favipiravir. This substance has been used in Japan to cure the severe forms of influenza. However, some Russian medical experts doubt that this substance is useful for COVID-19. Vasily Vlasov, the president of Society of Evidence-Based Medicine, told me that 60 patients, and that's the number of patients who took part in the clinical trials of Avifar, is not enough to make big conclusions and to give this drug to COVID patients across the country. Let's listen more.
In Japan, the test results showed that the drug has, at best, limited effectiveness, if any. Therefore, the Japanese, despite the fact that they are also afraid of the epidemic, they did not allow the drug for the treatment of COVID-19.
The developers, however, say that China has already used this substance and that the results are outstanding. They are much better than the results of anti-HIV drugs, and they say that this substance is well known and that there are no new side effects that they have seen during the trials, medical trials, but those clinical trials will continue in Russia.
Galina, thank you very much. Our correspondent there in Moscow.